Welcome back to Wheel Wisdom, the ultimate destination for real-world car reviews with a twist of fun, facts, and fast-paced breakdowns. If you're shopping for your first electric vehicle, a family ride that doesn't guzzle gas, or just want a tech-packed SUV that doesn't look like a spaceship, then you're in for a treat. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated Chevrolet Equinox EV, a bold move from Chevrolet that's shaking up the mainstream electric sport utility vehicle segment. According to the latest news and updates, the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox EV is making headlines for all the right reasons. Built on General Motors' Ultium platform, it promises a seamless electric driving experience without the luxury-level price tag. Is Chevrolet's answer to those looking for a practical, attractive, and affordable electric vehicle, and it's doing a solid job of ticking most boxes. Let's talk performance. Under the hood, well, under the floor technically, the Equinox EV offers two powertrain options. The standard front-wheel drive setup gives you 210 horsepower and 242 pound-per-feet of torque, while the available all-wheel drive version bumps it up to 290 horsepower and 346 pound-per-feet of torque. That means more confident handling and quicker acceleration for families merging onto highways or anyone craving a little more punch. It's not a track beast, but it delivers surprisingly peppy performance for a family-oriented SUV. Now on to range, the number that makes or breaks an electric vehicle for most buyers. Chevrolet claims up to 300 miles on a full charge for the front-wheel drive model, while the all-wheel drive version still manages an impressive estimated 280 miles. These numbers are competitive, especially when you consider the price point. Plus, with DC fast charging capability that can add up to 70 miles in just 10 minutes, range anxiety should be a thing of the past for most daily drivers. Let's shift gears to features, and this is where the Equinox EV really starts to shine. Standard across all trims is a massive 11-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen in higher trims. This is not your granddad's Equinox. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are built in, along with available Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, a built-in Google Assistant, and over-the-air software updates. Chevrolet is clearly thinking ahead with this one. For families and first-time buyers, safety is always a priority, and the Equinox EV delivers a solid suite of safety tech. Chevrolet Safety Assist is standard, bringing in features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and front pedestrian braking. Opt for higher trims and you'll also get adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and Super Cruise, Chevrolet's hands-free driving system available on select roads. It is features like these that make the Equinox EV feel more like a luxury electric vehicle experience without the sticker shock. Speaking of which, let's talk value. According to the latest updates, Chevrolet is pricing the Equinox EV with a starting MSRP of around $34,995. That's a very attractive entry point for a well-equipped electric sport utility vehicle. Fully loaded trims will cross the $50,000 mark, but they bring a lot to the table. We're talking premium materials, panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, and a head-up display. For what you're getting in range, tech, and safety, the Equinox EV punches above its weight. Now, it's not all sunshine and charging ports. There are a few cons worth mentioning. For one, cargo space is slightly compromised due to the battery layout. It's decent, but not best in class. There's also no front trunk or frunk, which is something many competitors are now offering. And while ride quality is comfortable, it leans more towards smooth and sporty, which might be a letdown for driving enthusiasts expecting more dynamic performance. But overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox EV offers a winning combination of style, tech, and electric performance tailored for the real world. It's a smart buy for first-time EV drivers, families who want to reduce their carbon footprint without giving up convenience, and car lovers who appreciate innovation that's not priced out of reach. If you're in the market for an electric sport utility vehicle that delivers great value for money, packs in thoughtful features, and comes from a trusted name in American motoring, the Equinox EV is worth every second of your test drive. That wraps up today's electric dive on Wheel Wisdom, where performance meets practicality and smart choices drive the conversation. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff car reviews, and drop a comment telling us if the Equinox EV is making your short list this year. Until next time, stay wise and drive smart.